Hello my subscribers, welcome back to my channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In today's video we are diving into one of the most powerful tools in Microsoft Excel, the pivot table. If you have ever worked with large sets of data and struggled to get meaningful insight, then pivot table are your best friend. So let's learn how they work and how we can use them with a real life example. See, I have designed a data set for your easiness. In column 1, I have taken employees' names. In second column, I have taken items. And in third column, I have taken quantity. And in fourth column, I have taken total amount. I will show you how to apply pivot table by using this data set. But wait, this is a very small data set. You can apply this method to a large number of data set. I have taken this data set because I want to teach you how to apply it. Consider this Consider this is a real life example and let's work with it. To apply the pivot table, simply go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. After clicking on it, a pop-up window will appear. It has some options that choose a data that you want to analyze. So by default, it selects all the table. But you can customize this setting as well, don't worry. So I want to apply pivot table in all the data set. Now look at the last option. Choose where you want to pivot table report to be placed. You can select any option you want. I want new worksheet, so I click on it and press OK button. Now look, this is the interface of pivot table. Look at the right side, there are two categories. First one is field list and the second one is pivot table areas. From the field list, you can drag any field to the pivot table. For example, I want to drag items field into filter area. See, the item field is added in the pivot table. Simply drag the employees' names in the row field and drag the quantity and total amount in the values field. See, our whole data set is placed on the pivot table. In the items field, you can filter the data set. By default, all the items are selected. You can select any option you want. For example, unselect all and select the keyboard and press OK button. See, 2 employees sells the keyboard with this quantity and this is the total price of the keyboard. Again go to the filter tab and select mouse and unselect keyboard. Press OK. So these are the 2 employees that sells mouse with this quantity and this is the total selling amount of the mouse. Again go to the filter tab and select all and press OK. The total selling amount of all the accessories is this. So guys, pivot table is a tool in Excel that allows you to summarize, analyze and explore data set quickly. Instead of creating manual formulas, you can simply drag and drop fields to get total sales, counts, averages and more. It helps you turn long boring data into a dynamic summary with just a few clicks. So that's it. Pivot table are super simple but incredibly powerful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss amazing Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching. Solve it now. See you in the next video.